Curious about how to find the right real estate agent in Sarnia? Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, choosing the right realtor can make or break your experience. I'm Hillary Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, and in this video, I'll guide you through what really matters. No fluff, just the facts, even if the perfect fit isn't with us at Blue Coast Realty. We're Blue Coast Realty, your trusted Sarnia-based brokerage. We know that the Sarnia housing market has its own rhythm, and we've built our reputation on local knowledge, honest advice, and delivering results. But more than anything, we believe that you deserve the right realtor for your unique goals, even if that's someone else. Let's dive into what makes a realtor in Sarnia truly great. First, local knowledge. It's optional. Just start right there. Let's dive into what makes a realtor in Sarnia truly great. First, local knowledge isn't optional. From Brights Grove to Point Edward, you need someone who understands the neighborhood trends, school zones, seasonal price changes, and where the market is heading. Next, consider communication. Are they available when you need them? Do they update you regularly? Clear, consistent contact builds trust and keeps you informed through every step. If you're selling, marketing is key. You want professional photography, videos, paid social ads, the whole package. Ask to see their past listing materials. If their strategy ends at a yard sign and a basic listing, keep looking. Experience matters too. Are they used to working with buyers like you or selling homes like yours? A condo downtown isn't the same as a lakefront property or a student rental near Lambton College. And don't forget the reviews. Real testimonials reveal how they treat their clients, not just when things go smoothly, but when challenges arise. So, how do you spot red flags? Watch for high pressure tactics, vague answers about the local market, and lack of transparency around commissions or processes. Now, you might be wondering, do you even need a realtor? With all the online tools today, some will think they can go at it alone. But the truth is, real estate transactions involve legal contracts, disclosures, inspections, and negotiations. A good agent brings clarity, protection, and peace of mind. At Blue Coast Realty, we're proud to serve Sarnia, but we know we're not the only choice, and that's okay. We'd rather you find the right realtor than just any realtor. Interview a few, ask the hard questions, and go with the person who listens, understands, and works for you. And if that's us, fantastic. If not, we're happy to point you in the right direction. For tailored advice and the latest insights on the Sarnia real estate market, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today. We're here to help, no pressure, just partnership.